birds brushing through the air, voices rising everywhere, colors moving like a dream, in a space too full to seem. Every bird with something new, songs of gold and shades of blue. All these stories crowd the room, calling out in feathers.